Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my April month GlamEgo box with you guys. And GlamEgo box is one of my favorite subscription box because the value of money that you get in GlamEgo box, you get it nowhere else. And also the product you get are simply amazing. For the people who don't know what is a subscription box, and if you want to try one subscription box for yourself for the first time, GlamEgo box will be the right box that you would want to start with, because if you opt for 12 month subscription, you only pay 299 rupees. So it's just like 300 rupees you pay and you get the products worth 6 or 7 times. So this is like simply amazing. You cannot get a better deal than this one. This is why I just love GlamEgo box and all the products that I've gotten so far. I'm so very happy with all the products. So I just cannot wait to see what I got in my April GlamEgo box. So let's get started. Wow, this is the April month's GlamEgo box, and I cannot say enough. There is a popsicle here, and look at the color, and I know I'm matching with the popsicle here. I am just simply loving this box. Look at the colors. Like, I love all the bright colors, and this is all the bright colors that I love. And this color I'm so much in love with already. So this is the box for this month, which is April month. And let's see how it is. Let me just open and see. So this is how it opens, and the box itself is very sturdy. Look at the way it closes. I think there's like a magnetic closing for this month's box, and these boxes you can always reuse them to keep anything you want, like hair accessories or lipstick or anything like that, because they are very good quality. And this month's box is simply amazing. It says hot summer, not for, I think, saddy me, cheeky me, and I think freezy me. I think that this is what is written here. So let's see what are the products that I got. So I'm just going to start with this, which are the cards that we always get in GlamEgo box. So first of all, it says summer skincare products with SPF and sun protection. It's hot all over, it's sunny all over the place, so you need sun protection, and this is what GlamEgo box has come up with in this month. And I'm going to see what are the products. So let me just start with the first product. So let's see what I got, and this is like all full. So the first product that I see is from Vedicline, and it's their gold facial. Wow, this is amazing. I always love to do my facial by myself at home, so I keep buying facial kits, and this will be simply amazing. Gold facial are always good, so I cannot wait to try this one. And it says it gives luster and glow to your skin, enriched with benefit of gold and saffron, which both are very good for skin and for getting the glow on the skin. Keeps skin pure and healthy. I cannot wait to try this one. And it looks like this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6-step facial, which has scrub, cream, massaging gel, pack, cleanser, and moisture serum, which has SPF in it. So that is really good, and I'm going to try this. I wanted to do my facial for for a week. I was thinking to do a facial, so I'm going to try this one. And then the second product is from NELF, and we had the choice to choose a skin type or a skin complexion. So this is from NELF, and NELF is a very reputed brand. So this is their Aqualite Fairness Compact Powder with UV and SPF 18. So this is really good that they have included this product in their April month. So I'm just going to open and see how it is inside. And I love the packaging, the black color packaging, and the shade number for me is 01, and I chose medium. So this is how it is. This is the compact powder box, and let me see how it looks like. So the smell is so amazing. Wow, I love the smell, and I'm just going to use it to see how it is, because I don't have anything on my face right now. So it came with a sponge, so I'm just going to use it. Wow, I do really like it because it doesn't feel heavy at all on my skin, and it matches my complexion. I'm going to stop using the one that I was using, and I'm going to use this one from now on. So this is the second product, and both of the products that I got till now are amazing. So let me just move on to the third product, and This product is from Natural Bath and Body, again very good brand, and it says this is their Vital Nourishment Cream which has grapefruit and vitamin C, and it says this is for your lighter, brighter fix. Wow, who doesn't want that? And this is a surprise product, so let me just at least see how it is, because grapefruit and vitamin C or oranges are very refreshing on their own. Smell is very refreshing, and I'm going to use it and see at least on my hand to see how it is. The texture of the cream is really nice, like it gets absorbed in the skin right away. Now let's move on to the fourth product that I got, and the best part about this product is that it has been selected for Eminent Vogue Beauty Awards 2018, and it says that it leaves your lips moisturized with a lovely tint. Wow, I love lip tints. Let me just see. Look at the packaging, so cute. So this is the product, this is the lip tint, and the card that came with it, it says it is pure, organic and sachet, and I'm going to open to see what shade it is. Smell is to die for, and on my hand I cannot see the shade. It looks like transparent to me right now. Let me just see the last product that I got. So this is a product from I believe they call it Tjori. I think it's Tjori. I wanted to try their product for so long, but I just couldn't get my hands on any of the products, so I'm really happy that I've got this opportunity by GlamEgo Box. So let me just see what it is. So it says this is their anti-tan pack, wild turmeric anti-tan treatment, and wild turmeric is very good for treating tan. It smells something like the kasturi manjal and all the ingredients that they say. So it's like a real ingredient that you can smell. So it has been made of all the real things. So all the products of this month are simply outstanding. Like this you can get in 299 rupees. Look at the number of products and the brands that they have given, and also the prices of all the products. If you see, look at the brands. This is NELF USA, and this is Vedicline, and also Tjori, and this has gotten the Vogue 2018 award. What better it can be? And also this is a surprise gift. So all these are very good brands, and all the products are really aligned with the summer season. Before I forget, I'm going to see how it is, how are the sachets inside, because all these comes with the sachets which are one-time use sachets. So these are all the sachets, these are all the steps that I'll be using. So this is like 6-step facial. So what I'll do, I'll make a separate video of reviewing all these products, because all these products guys really are worth trying out and giving you guys a review of it. So in the end, if I quickly add the prices of all the products that I got in the April month's box, then it comes to more than 1800 rupees. I'm going to give the link to the GlamEgo Box website so that you can head directly there and subscribe this amazing box for yourself. And I'm going to make another video tomorrow to review each and every product, because I'm just loving all the products. That's all for the video today. Bye.